This video is going to be about seeking professional help and ways to do that. First, start off by researching and identifying mental health professionals. Look for licensed therapists, psychologists, or counselors who specialize in areas such as self-esteem, self-compassion, or cognitive behavioral therapy. Seek recommendations from trusted sources, read reviews, and consider their expertise in helping individuals with self-critical tendencies. Consult your primary care physician to discuss your concerns and request a referral to a mental health professional. They can provide guidance and connect you with appropriate resources in your area. Many countries have mental health helplines or hotlines that provide information, support, and referrals to professionals. Reach out to these helplines to get immediate assistance or guidance in finding the right mental health professional. Explore online therapy platforms that offer virtual counseling services. These platforms provide access to licensed therapists through video sessions or messaging. They can be convenient and accessible option for seeking professional help, especially if in-person options are limited. Look for support groups or workshops focused on self-compassion, self-esteem, and overcoming self-criticism. These groups can provide valuable insights and support and strategies for managing self-critical tendencies. Mental health organizations or local community centers may offer such programs. Remember that seeking professional help is a courageous and empowering decision. A mental health professional can provide personalized guidance, support, and tools to help you overcome self-critical tendencies and develop healthier self-perception. It is important to find a professional who you feel comfortable with and who can create a safe space for you for growth and healing. I hope that was okay. I'm going to go seek some professional help.